Whoa, but you're hiccuping because you got a fright.
No, it's not because of...
Shall I tell another scary goblin story then?
No, thanks. I have to go to bed now, so you'd better go.
Hey, Nori! Nori! Come on, let's play!
Okay, hold on.
Nori, you look terrible. Hey, are you still hiccuping?
Yep, it hasn't stopped since yesterday.
You're all right. There's nothing wrong with your body.
Then why won't the hiccuping stop?
I'm not sure.
But if I hiccup 100 times in a row, will it never stop? For the rest of my life?
Nori.
There's a tale along those lines, but I've never heard of it actually happening, so...
But it could be true.
Don't worry, we'll help you.